my pleasure to address this event because of some of the best of minds from all over the world have come together at the Artificial Intelligence Summit in India. I congratulate Government of India, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and Sri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, Minister for Electronics and IT, for making this possible. Across human history, great ideas, discoveries, and inventions have changed our lives. Discovery of fire, wheels and agriculture changed our lives. Ideas like democracy, rule of law, universal voting rights, and reservations changed our lives. Technology like electricity, aeroplane, vaccines, and internet changed our lives. In the past, inventions added to human physical strength. After Industrial Revolution, our bodies never matched machines. We cannot fly like a plane, swim like a ship, or run at the speed of motorcycle or car. Today, we are witnessing the rise of our greatest invention, that is AI. Artificial intelligence has made a GPU chip more intelligent than humans. It can write poetry and reports, make films and presentations, and it knows almost everything. These days, people say on social media that humans are not the most intelligent anymore. AI is more intelligent. AI also has agency, power to decide. An aeroplane can fly only if we tell it. A car will move or stop only if we tell it. AI can order to itself. Combine AI and robotics, machines have both physical and mental capabilities. In this context, it is important when we set an agenda for the future, and AI race has already begun. We see leadership of a few countries, companies, and people. India missed the Industrial Revolution and the Manufacturing Revolution. We played a role in Services Revolution, especially software and telecom. But even in software, we created services but not global products. Google Search, Google Maps, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and WhatsApp. We Indians use them. We Indians work in these companies, but we don't own them. We did not create them. There are two ways any country can influence a global trend: use or produce. With AI, we have to both produce and use. India must become a leader in all layers of AI: chips, green energy, data storage, platforms, applications, and services. We must create a roadmap to ensure a real leadership in top three layers. Secondly, India must create a war room with center and states to monitor and respond to AI developments. An AI war room for India is crucial because developments in AI can be very quick. Hyderabad can build an AI war room for India with support of Government of India. We need to establish an AI university of global standards with top facilities focusing on original research. We have seen many of controversies in this event. Fourthly, to lead an AI revolution, we have to manufacture GPU chips. We have to become part of the entire supply chain. We must get rare minerals. Fifth, we have to put a system to estimate job losses because of AI. India cannot delay this anymore. We have to invest massively in reskilling of people who lose their jobs. India needs an AI fund for startups, so our youth can work on all areas of AI and aim to become unicorns. Telangana can establish an AI startup village for entire country with support of Government of India. We need more AI summits, not once a year, but every 6 months. Different cities can host them, like Hyderabad. I request Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to establish a national AI council like GST Council or Niti Aayog. We need an AI ministry both at center and state level to help make laws to prevent misuse of AI, especially against national security and interests. We need to use AI strongly for achievements of social justice, inclusion, and removal of poverty. Finally, I invite you to Telangana for discussions, for partnerships. I welcome global and national institutions to work in my state in AI. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Telangana.